If you don't want to believe a Muslim man crying about the Palestinians, then listen to Noam Chomsky, the professor who is Jewish himself. Listen to Norman Finkelstein, Ilan Pape, who are political scientists. Their parents are survivors of the Holocaust. They have no dog in the race. They do not attribute any support necessarily to any group or any people, but they speak with the evidence and the facts. And what do they say? What do they argue? The same things that I have mentioned to you today, that Israel commits on a daily basis war crimes on a predominantly civilian population, women and children. If you treated a dog in this country the way that the Palestinian child is treated in Palestine, wallahi, Allah is my witness, you would be arrested. You would be arrested for treating a dog in that manner. Today they're treating human beings worse than an animal, and the world stays silent.